Okay, number one. The Prince arrives. Okay. Keep that, number two. Rhif 3, aka Demon 1. Diolch i Gethos am hon. Neu variation. Match in the gas tank. Number 4 oedd hwnna, that was number 4. Rhif 5. Chase, the chase. Wedyn mae gennym ni number 6. Rhif 7, number 7. Rhif 8, number 8. Rhif 9. Mae hon yn un haws, ond notice how similar this one is to number 3, Demon 1. Yeah. Yeah. Diminish sounds. Featured there. I orffan, os da chi'n mynd gwybod hon, wel, dyn ni'n mynd â ni o'ch. Deg, gadwch ni wybod be ydyn nhw, lle maen nhw wedi dod o enghreifftiau, lle maen nhw'n cael eu defnyddio. Please let me know where have they come from, what they are, what's the song, ac yn y blaen. Diolch yn fawr.